Tobacco EDU, brought to you by What Are You Inhaling?
Is smoking worth it?
The toxic poisons found in cigarette smoke have chemical compounds that weaken the body's immune system and cause cancer cells to reproduce. Smoking also causes increased heart rate, damaged nerve endings, poor blood circulation, and higher risk of heart attack and stroke.
Let's discuss what happens to your body minutes after you quit smoking.
1 hour after quitting, your heart rate drops back to the average beats per minute, and your blood pressure and body temperature return back to normal.
Several hours later, your damaged nerve endings are regrowing, and your smell and taste buds return back to normal.
72 hours after you quit smoking, your body is officially 100% nicotine-free.
3 weeks later, your blood circulation in your gums and teeth are similar to a non-smoker.
4 to 6 weeks later, anger, anxiety, restlessness, and depression is gone.
9 months later, the cilia in your lungs are regrown and you have a spike in increased energy.
1 year, a person's risk of a heart attack is cut in half.
5 years later, the risk of stroke, lung cancer, and heart disease is the same of a non-smoker.
20 years later, you have the lungs of a non-smoker. Good as new.
Say no to smoking.
Horry County, smoke free for you and for me.